Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for some time now, you know I am all about natural ingredients. On this channel, I teach you how to use natural ingredients to grow your hair. Batana oil is a natural ingredient product which can help you grow your hair much faster. In today's video, I'm going to show you a trick that can help you grow your hair much faster using Batana oil. So if you do not know anything about Batana oil, make sure you stay tuned because by the end of this video, you're going to learn a lot about this natural ingredient product. To begin with, I will need some organic coconut oil. Make sure you use the organic coconut oil for this recipe. I'm also going to need some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it is organic as well. These two oils are very lightweight oils that can help penetrate your hair follicles much easier to prevent hair breakages and also strengthen your hair strands. But you can use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. You can also use either or. You don't have to use both oils. I just love to use both oils for this DIY. But feel free to use either coconut oil or olive oil for this recipe. Alright, so I added some moringa powder to my coconut oil and my olive oil. I did not use any specific measurement. The trick to this is to make sure the oil that you are using is enough to cover the amount of moringa powder that you are going to use. So you just pour enough oil to make it very easy to stir. After that, you are going to use the double boiler method to infuse this oil. This process is making your moringa oil. But hey yo, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so you're going to leave this oil sitting in the hot water until it is warm to touch. After that, you're going to set it aside until the moringa powder settles at the bottom of the bowl. This means it is time to strain your moringa oil. You can use any paper towel, cheesecloth, any material with tiny holes to strain the moringa oil. Make sure you do a very good job when it comes to straining it because you do not want any moringa particles in the oil. Once it is strained, I'm going to show you what to do next. Make sure you're not skipping any part of this video because it is very important to follow all the steps in order for you to get all the benefits that are needed for you to grow your hair much faster. So at this point, I added some castor oil. Castor oil can help condition your hair. I added about a tablespoon of castor oil and I also added some essential oil just to add to the fragrance of this recipe. I also added some vitamin E oil, just a few drops to this recipe. This will help prevent hair breakages and also strengthen your hair strands. If you do not have any of these extra ingredients, you don't have to add it. Just follow through with your moringa oil and your batana oil. Alright, this is Batana oil. Batana oil has been going crazy on the internet right now. People are buying it like crazy. And by the way, I have a link to purchase the same Batana oil in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Whenever you buy Batana oil, make sure it says sourced from Honduras. They have the real Batana oil. So Batana oil is extracted from the seeds of Batana. And this fruit called the Batana fruit is very popular in Honduras, and they have that real Batana oil. If your Batana oil says sourced from China or any other country, please do not get it. Try to get the one that says Honduras. It should be 100% natural. It should have only one ingredient, just the Batana oil, no chemicals, nothing added. It should be all natural. This is the very one I've been using. Again, I have linked it in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So at this point, I measured about 3 tablespoons of my Moringa oil, and I added about 2 tablespoons of my Batana oil. Batana oil is a very lightweight oil, so it melts easily like butter. As soon as it touches your hair, it melts into your hair, and that is one good characteristic of Batana oil. It is not a heavy oil like other oils that will just stay in your hair and cause you buildups. This very one will easily melt into your hair and work through your hair strands. You apply this onto your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. Do not rinse it out. If you consistently repeat this at least 4 times a week, you will see a whole lot of changes in your hair. Of course, you can use Batana oil just as it is. It has great benefits, but if you want to go a step further to make it work much faster, follow these instructions and you will come back and thank me later. Apply it on your edges, on your scalp, everywhere, and massage it in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.